Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol MRO. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. If not sure what I mean by 30-minute, I offer an explanation video at that link. Well, a very rough day in this one, but to offer up a little defense, it was a rough day for the entire market, so it's not like this thing was out of the ordinary or anything. But nonetheless, now that the dust has settled, there's a pretty well-known, pretty famous technical pattern here that has taken shape, so I'm going to get that drawn out here. And the first part of this pattern is just the support portion, which sits down here at, we'll call it $6.20. So let me actually make that green to represent the support portion. And then the other part of it is just the part that represents the selling pressure, and that is this right here. And then you have the pull portion of it. So let's draw the pull right here. And for you golfers out there, if you want to put the golf hole up here, looks pretty much like an upside down pennant, or within the world of technical analysis, this is what is called a bear pennant. Now, let me make this very clear up front, and I wish I could say trading was this easy. Just because a bearish pattern has formed does not mean guaranteed 100% that the price is going to behave bearish and the price is going to go downwards. My core point here is that from a rational thought process point of view, if the price were to go sideways and then break down through that level, guarantee again, no, but is it rational to think that that could create that much more downside pressure and that downside momentum? Yeah, absolutely, that's a rational thought to have, and there's going to be a lot of people that have taken notice of this pattern, and they're going to be watching that lower portion very closely. And if the price does get the bearish breakdown to the downside, next key level of support, not until down around that $6 mark. So watch that very closely. Now, in the event the price decides to kind of punch this pattern in the face, meaning the price consolidates out and then blasts up through the upper portion of that pattern. From that point of view, the overall level of resistance you'd want to watch very closely would be right up there at $6.80. But overall, in summary on this one, MRO 30-minute bear pennant pattern, but we'll see how this one closes out the week on Friday. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.